iba ng English. And I'm just happy na it turned out well. And ito, I'm just excited for everyone to hear my new single na Ino. Actually, it's a sequel po of my previous song na Lisan. Yung Lisan po, di ba, it was about my father nung namatay po si Papa. So it's about the grief and sadness na naramdaman ko during that time. So this is also a personal touch po for my third single, which is Inowi. Kung yung sa Lisan is about grief and sadness, this time naman it's about acceptance and being true to yourself na you're not okay. This allowing yourself to be vulnerable and accepting na okay, hindi ka okay. And I feel like kasi po na it is a phase for you na daanan in order for you to move forward and maka-start ulit ng panibago. Kasi hanggat hindi mo ina-accept yung reality na hindi ka okay, lagi kang magmamas na, oh, okay lang ako, pero deep inside, sobrang basag na basag ka na. So this song is about sharing with people na okay lang na hindi maging okay kasi it's valid. Accepting the fact na hindi lahat lagi masaya. Accepting the fact na darating yung mga challenges sa life. Pero para lang for me to move forward, mas tinithink ko and mas iniisip ko yung mga positive na nangyayari despite all the challenges. Um, Especially now, ang daming blessings na dumarating. Ito, I was able to release another song and then nagamit yung lisan ko. Despite ang dami nangyaring trials nung sa mga nakaraang taon, here I am. God is still blessing me with all this good news. So, yeah, little by little nakaka-move forward. Yes po, actually, sobrang hesitant ko to compose an English song kasi hindi ako ganun ka confident sa paglalagay ng melody kasi ako din po yung nagbigay ng melody ng song. Kapag kasi Filipino or Tagalog, masasabi ko na more confident ako kasi yun yung first language natin. And medyo mabulaklak yung mga words na meron ako kapag sa Tagalog. Ibang-iba kasi siya sa English. Unlike kapag ka sa Tagalog, pag papare-parehin mo lang yung sa dulo, para at least medyo rhyme siya. Sobrang iba ng English. And I'm just happy na it turned out well. And ito, I'm just excited for everyone to hear my new single na Inowi. Since nag-open yung door for me as a composer, gusto ko rin matry na makapagsulat ng song talaga, dedicated na song sa ibang co-artist ko sa GMA Music. And of course, a collaboration with other artists. Pero for sure, I will be releasing more single since supportive naman yung GMA Music family ko. Lagi silang nandyan sa akin. Pinakikinggan ako sa mga gusto kong gawin with my music career. So hopefully, more exciting things will happen this year.